Hi friends, I'm Sankar. Welcome to your online empire. Now, guys, COVID-19 is not going away and getting a job is not very easy. Now, as an entrepreneur, I assure you that it's not a problem, it's an opportunity. Just believe in yourself and you can surely build your own online empire. Now, in today's video, I will share 10 sources of generating online income that are working in May 2020, irrespective of which country you're from, what is your gender, whatever it is. Now, the idea is to build financial freedom for you. Whether you are a student, you work for a company, you are looking for employment, you can sit at home and earn money. All you need is a working internet and a laptop. Now, before we go ahead, just ensure that you're subscribed to this channel and comment on anything that I should speak for the next topic. And there are two surprises for you in the end, so keep watching. Excited to know the 10 sources of making money online? Let's begin. The number one source of making money online is affiliate marketing. Now, in affiliate marketing, you earn a commission for marketing another person's or company's product. Now, you can expect to earn money from today. Companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Uber, all of them promote their products through affiliates. What I love about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create any product, you don't need any research, and you can get started today. We will discuss affiliate marketing in detail in the upcoming videos. But here's your action point. Think of what you are interested in and pick a niche accordingly. To check whether your niche is doing good in COVID-19 lockdown, just visit Google Trends and check the last 90 days curve with the keywords of your niche. For example, you are interested in wildlife photography. Check Google Trends of wildlife photography for the last 90 days. That's all. That's all you need to do right now. Well, to ensure further if your market size is big enough or not, go to Amazon.com, select books, see if the number of books are more than 2000. Yes, you're good to go. Source number two, lead generation. Every business in this world needs to sell, needs revenue. Lead generation will always be a lucrative source of income. If you know how to get prospect customers for a company or a business, you can earn really good money. Here's your action point. Search for businesses on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook in any industry that you are interested in and tell them you are going to help them generate sales and revenue by providing them high intent leads. Here's my guarantee. If you send a simple message that you are going to generate leads for the company, they will surely listen and respond to you. Number three, teaching online. Guys, if you have a skill that has a market, just start with teaching. People like Tony Robbins, Chris Luck, Gary Vaynerchuk are all into the teaching domain. You heard that right. Whether you know math or you can motivate people, everything has a market. If you know coding, just teach people how to code. One of the best mediums to teach without any investment is Teachable. Number four, this tends to be my favorite, digital marketing services. Guys, if you know anything about advertising, SEO, marketing, social media marketing, landing pages, funnels, pay per click campaigns, you can get started by pitching people on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook for free about your expertise. People will respond to you, so just get started. Number five is freelancing on Fiverr or freelancer. Guys, freelancing is a self-employed person. As a freelancer, usually you will make money on a per task basis, charging hourly rates or daily rates. Not just get your freelancing account on Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing paradise. Guys, my business partner makes about $6,000 every month on Fiverr, getting orders every hour. Now, if I get 100 comments with the word Fiverr here, I'll arrange a personal interview with him on how he makes that much money and how you can do the same. Any online marketing skill that you have can get you orders starting from article writing to translation, music, transcription, anything. Now, here's your action point: create an account on Fiverr.com, choose from a variety of skills that suit you the most, create a gig basis your skill, and now you're ready to start receiving orders. Make sure you add your account information to receive payments to your bank or your PayPal ID. Number six is authority or influencer marketing. I don't think I need to explain a lot about influencer marketing. However, for the benefit of everybody, I'll just tell you in brief. Influencer marketing is a form of social media marketing involving endorsements or product placement from influencers. It could be people, it could be organizations who have a level of expertise or social influence. Now, if you have some followers on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere, you should definitely get started by utilizing that following. Or if you have an expertise, you can get started with influencer marketing. For example, you are good at cooking, so just start shooting videos and talk about recipes that are your favorite, and people will start following you. As soon as you have 10,000 followers, there will be multiple sources of income. Number 7, drop shipping. Guys, drop shipping is when you sell a product from a wholesaler online to a customer. You need to have an online store and advertise retail products that you don't own. Once a customer orders that product, the delivery, procurement, fulfillment, and everything else is handled by a team of experts, which is not you. Now, if you want to start a business during COVID 19 in dropshipping, this is something that you should definitely consider. If you are interested in dropshipping or starting a dropshipping store, comment below saying I am interested in dropshipping, and my next video would be on dropshipping. Number 8 is logo design or branding. Every day there are more than 25,000 new entrepreneurs born, which means they need help in branding, they need help in logo design, and that's an opportunity for you. One of the best sites to find opportunities to do this is 99designs.com. Ad agencies like mine throughout the world need ad creatives and graphic works every day. So if you are good at using tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop, be sure you will be getting projects. Now here's the action point. Go to canva.com and create your free account today. My team of graphic designers use Canva Pro or Photoshop, but you don't need the pro tool for designing logo. Number 9 is remote customer service projects. If you want to make some quick money and have a problem solving mindset, search for part-time opportunities on Facebook jobs, LinkedIn jobs, or go to this site www.weworkremotely.com and find remote customer service jobs. The last one is Google My Business Marketing. When you search for businesses on Google, you would have seen a separate window like this, which appears with listings on Google Maps. Now, these listings come under businesses called Google My Business, and it's a free service that Google provides to every business owner. Here's the opportunity: about 80% of businesses don't have their businesses listed. So, all you need to do is drop a message or email to these businesses providing free advice to them about not missing out on business inquiries. Now, here's your action point. I will give a prize to the first person who comments what are the top 5 softwares that are available to find out businesses that are not listed on Google My Business. What's the price? I will give you 50 GB of free hosting on my account. So don't delay, comment below. Before we end, the surprise number 1 is that as soon as I get 100 comments, I will share a PDF link of another 31 unique sources of income in the description of the video and how you can get started today. If you like the ideas and want to know further, comment below putting I want to know more. Your active participation, guys, will let me know that the efforts that I'm putting here is reaching out to you. Let's use this as a learning community. Suggest your ideas to let me know what I can speak about next. I hope you like this video and I will be waiting to know which one is your favorite. So I'll speak in detail about the next video. Cheers to your success. Have a great day.